Hello traders, Merry Christmas. Today is Wednesday, the 6th of December, if you don't know what day of the week it is. And we are going to do the following. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's do this. So we're going to start with the trade that I took. And I only took the one trade yesterday, guys, and it was this. It was Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. There wasn't lots of things setting up yesterday, and we were just looking at a few yen pairs, and this was the yen pair that I took. Why did I take it? Well, we was in this, we're in an uptrend at this point, and then at this point, we're not sure because we're getting lower highs, but we're getting higher lows, okay, and these highs are remaining the same. So what that basically is, guys, when sometimes the chart pattern is difficult to read in terms of higher highs, higher lows, or vice versa, then chances are it's in a triangle or some kind of pattern. And this is exactly that. This is in an ascending triangle. And the idea with an ascending triangle is that it does this. And eventually it contracts until it shoots off in one or the other direction. This is an ascending triangle, so this would assume that it ascends, okay? So it breaks to the upside. And that's all we were trying to do, guys, come from the bottom of this candle. Sorry, guys, that's the worst line I've ever drawn. Come from the bottom of this candle back up to just these last highs. That was the idea. We were getting nice bullish wicks, from the candle the other day, and also we still got a bullish wick here, so I still think this trade is fine and we're still in it. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can also see we're seeing nice wicks at the bottom here that are bouncing off that level, so this is encouraging to take price back up to here because we're still in this trade. We actually entered though, guys, on the H1. It was this candle here that was the catalyst. We had this very bullish, come down, tested these lows again, had a very bullish H1 candle. We entered on the close of this candle, put our stop below here. And the idea is to take price back up to here. So as you can see, guys, we had to take a little bit of heat. But again, just look at these wicks on these candles. There's lots of rejection at this area. And that's what we want to see, okay? And still in this, guys. Let's see how it pans out today, but looking to take price back up to here. And if you would like my trade entries, as in when I take the trade, stop loss, take profit, etc., then I put all of this in the VIP Discord channel, which you'll find in the video description. That was the only trade I took. We was looking at euro yen as well, but if we go to the day chart, this was against trend, but we were just at such a nice support area here. This was a weekly support area. You can see price has reacted many times here, and we were just trying to take price back up to here. And we had a nice, if I zoom in, guys, you can see we had a nice, just a nice wick on the bottom here. The wicks give you so much information, guys. You start seeing wicks, look, wicks, price moves back up. And we started seeing a wick here, and the idea was to move price back up. But we had criteria with this one, guys. And if we drop down to the H4, as you can see, we just wanted a break of this level. Because a break of this level basically meant a break in H4 structure. And again, I'd still be interested today, guys, if we got a break of this level, retest, I think we could take price higher. But yesterday, no trade because it just didn't break. And the same with pound yen. We were looking for a break of, let's start with the day chart. So again, we're in an uptrend. There's no two ways about it. We're in an uptrend. Okay, with pound yen, we'd had a nice bullish wick again at these lows here. And the idea was just to wait for a structure break. So again, if you look on the H4, if we just follow structure down, Yeah, we're just waiting for a break of this level through here. Because once we get a break of this, guys, it means we've had a break in H4 and H1 by that point. Retest, come back higher. All right, but again, didn't happen. So there you go, guys. Those were the trades from yesterday, and let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap and you enjoy getting my trade ideas every single day, then come join us. Yes, subscribe to the channel right now. We would love to have you. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Thank you very much. Dankashan, Shukran, Mercy, Messi, Asante Sana. Fluent in many languages. I know. You didn't know this about me. Right, guys, trades for Wednesday, the 6th of December. Merry Christmas. Before we start, let me just mention a few things that we do on the channel, guys, because you might be interested. So, first of all, we have a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators, useful links, books, psychology, loads of cool things, guys. Come check it out. Secondly, we have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week, and you have access to the Trading Academy, which is just full of trading tutorials, guys. All right, so come check that out. It's me spilling my brain. And finally, guys, you also have access to a performance coach should you require it. Next, guys, we also have the mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Also, guys, if you watch the live stream, you watch this analysis vid every day, and you would like to show your support, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's supporter and gold tiers, and they have many perks in them as well, guys. All right, so check all of this out. It is all within the video description. So check out the video description, guys. And don't forget, live stream today, 7 a.m. EST, New York time. See you then. Get your questions ready. Right. Trades for Wednesday, the 6th of December. So basically what I'm looking at, guys, is this. I'm looking at US dollar strength. Yeah. Is the US dollar back, baby? We shall see. Okay. But we're seeing some US dollar majors break down. Okay. And also, guys, Aussie dollar, yeah, has retraced. Yeah, so it's broken down, it's retraced into some interesting areas. So these are the things we're looking at today. Let's start with US dollar. Okay, so as you can see, my first trade idea is going to be this: euro against the US dollar. And as you can see, guys, you know, we was in this uptrend and then kapow. In the words of Batman, we have broken down. Okay, I don't think Batman said broken down. He said kapow. Anyway, yes, we had higher highs, yeah, but these, higher lows, but these have now been broken, guys. We're now getting lower lows. So we are interested in selling this pair. This is a structure break. Also, if you remember the weekly candle I was talking about, you know, that is a very bearish weekly candle. Okay, and it's a bit of a weekly target. We just want to take it back down to these last highs here. So my target is 0762. Yeah, so you can see the target on the day chart. You can see there's some, you know, support here. So this is our target. If we drop down to the H4 now, what I'm looking for is this, guys. I'm just looking for a retrace, as you know. Yeah, I do love a retrace. I like a retrace as much as I like fish and chips and Gal Gadot. Anyway, yeah, here we are, guys. We're looking at this grey zone here. Why are we looking at this grey zone? Because price has reacted here, 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 here. Yeah, and we got the moving average 20 coming down as well. So I'm looking for price to come back into this double whammy resistance. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, and then we can start taking price lower. All right, so that's what we're looking for with Euro US dollar. But Euro US dollar is not the only major, the US dollar major that's broken down. Yeah, pound US dollar. We're looking at this one as well, guys. If we go to the day chart, yeah, we was at this, you know, this important. Let's start with the weekly chart, actually. Yeah, so we're at this important resistance level through here. Okay, it did, you know, it did break it with this candle, but price has quickly come back, you know, into this zone. All right. If we drop down to the day chart now, you can just see as well that, you know, we were in an uptrend. Okay. You clearly see that. You don't need to be Warren Buffett. Got some, you know, wasn't creating higher highs, and then bang, it's broken all of these lows in here. And you'll see that on the H4 with this candle here. Okay, so the idea is just to come back down, you know, again, not loads of room to move into, but that's still 40 pips as we speak, just back down to these highs. Okay, so we're looking to sell pound US dollar. If we go to the H4, guys, yeah, you can clearly see this important level. This level through here finally broke with this candle here. All right. So all I want to see, guys, is a bearish reaction in here. Price is already at this gray zone, but I want to see a bearish reaction, and then we start taking price lower. So yeah, pound US dollar, and then it also leads me on nicely to Aussie dollar US dollar, because we're looking at a few Aussie dollar pairs as well. But let's start with Aussie dollar US dollar. Go to the day chart. Again, guys, yeah, we've had a structure break. Yeah, we were clearly in an uptrend on Aussie dollar US dollar. Just follow the highs and lows. Didn't create a higher high, always a red flag for me. And then price come crashing down, breaking this last low. We are in a downtrend. I'm a little bit wary of this moving average 20 case, hence I have two targets. Yeah, I've got this target and this target. Yeah, and just look how bearish this candle is as well. Okay, the thing with Aussie dollar, and you'll see this on a couple of other Aussie dollar pairs, is it was very news related, and now it's having quite the retrace. But nonetheless, we're still interested in, you know, US dollar strength. If we drop to the H4 now, it's already at a nice level. Yeah, you can see this level through here, guys. Again, how do I plot support and resistance levels? I'm just looking for price to react at a level, you know, even here, just time and time again. I want price to react at a level, and this has. So we want to see a bearish reaction in here, guys, maybe a structure break on the M15 or something like that to support the idea, and then we can take price back down to these daily lows, if not a bit further. Many trade ideas today, guys. I feel like I need some vodka already. Yeah, and then just to carry on this Aussie dollar theme, it's about Aussie dollar retraces. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar is the next trade idea. All of these are trade ideas, guys, yeah? What I don't like about these, well, let's start with the day chart, and then I'll tell you. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah? We were in an uptrend, yeah, clearly in an uptrend. Didn't make higher highs, always a red flag. Yeah, and then price kapow, yeah, has broken down. These lows have been broken with this candle here. All right, so we're getting lower lows now. Okay, and we've broke through the moving average 20, which I like. And the idea is just to come back down to these last daily lows. It could go further, but yeah, I'm just coming back down to these daily lows because it's a nice psychological level at 8,900. If we drop to the H4 now, you can see what I mean. It's these H4 candles. Look how bullish this H4 candle is. Yeah, so I'm a little bit reluctant to start entering this straight away. I need to see something very bearish in here, guys, really. So, again, I've plotted this zone because price has reacted many times in this zone. I want to see a bearish reaction in here, and then we can start selling Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. But yeah, it's like, this is very bullish now, this H4 candle, but I just need to see, perhaps the next one or two H4 candles become bearish, and then we've got a trade. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, we're looking to sell. And then finally, guys, we have one more trade idea. And before I show you my last trade idea, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, we would love to have you. Also smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the vid. Thank you very much. And also don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, and Simply Forex YouTube membership. All of this is in the video description. Aussie dollar yen is the last one, guys. So like I said, Aussie dollar retraces and US dollar weakness is what we're looking at. And this is Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so we was in an uptrend. Okay, didn't make higher highs. Yeah, and now it's started to break down. Yeah, this is in a downtrend. If there was any doubt here, we wasn't any doubt here because it's broken these lows. So we're getting lower lows, all right, and we're getting lower highs. So we're in a downtrend. We had a very nice bearish candle yesterday, and we're getting a very nice retrace into a nice area. Again, if we drop to the H4, you know, it is a super duper bullish strong H4 candle, as it was with Aussie dollar CAD, but it's in a really nice area. You know, this gray zone, why did I choose it? Because price has reacted many times in here. All right, maybe the moving average 20 comes down. And what I want to see, guys, is a bearish reaction in here. Yeah, and then we can start selling Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. So there you go, guys. Lots of trades for today. Those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 6th of December. It's a busy news day, guys. So yeah, tread carefully. Overnight, we had some worse than expected GDP quarter on quarter, but some better than expected GDP year on year. And this has really given the Aussie dollar some strength, guys. And you saw that with those H4 candles. The next piece of news we're interested in, I would say, is this, guys. 9:30 London GMT. I would say this is a 3-star rating, and this is construction PMI. All right, so that could move any pound pairs. You know, we've also got this Bank of England financial stability report. Well, we know we're not very stable, but yeah, this will confirm it. At 10:30 and at 11 o'clock, we've also got Bank of England governor speaking. So keep an eye out for these two. Yeah, that could really move the pound as well. If we carry on down, guys, the next piece of news we're interested in is this. At 1:15, we've got ADP, non-farm employment, a 3-star rating coming out of the US. And then after that, guys, at 1:30, I would say all of this data together is like a 3-star rating. Exports, imports, non-farm productivity, trade balance, all of this together is like a 3-star rating for the US dollar, so must be aware of that. Yeah, and also Canadian, you know, trade balance and labor productivity. Those two together and all can act as a 3-star rating. Like I said, busy news day. And then we've got the big daddy, big mama news. Yeah, we've got 3 o'clock coming out of Canada. We've got the Bank of Canada interest rate decision and everything that goes with that as well. They're expecting it to keep it at 5%, so we shall see. But that is obviously going to move the Canadian dollar. And the fact we have Ivy PMI at the same time. So there's a lot of important data coming out there. And then after that, guys, there's more. Yeah, there's more news at 3:30. Yeah, we've got crude oil inventories. So that can affect US dollar, Canadian dollar, and oil, obviously. So busy news day, guys. Tread carefully. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you for the live stream later today.